Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Facebook Reels for free. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the Facebook app. Let's say for example we want to download this reel over here, right? Let's click on the arrow over here, right? Then I want you to hit on the copy link. Then I want you to go on Google Chrome and look for this app over here. It's called snapsafe.app. Here I want you to paste the link, okay, and then I want you to hit download. Usually it will take a while simply because there are a lot of people using the app and depending on the traffic. Then the video is done. You have multiple different qualities that you can download the video from. For high quality videos, Facebook doesn't allow downloading files with sound. You understand that? Snapsafe have to download the video separately, then match the video with the sound afterwards. It takes some time to render. So as you can see over here, for a particular qualities, there is an option for you to render and to match the audio with video. So because we all know when you upload content on Facebook reduces the quality automatically, so they will reduce the cloud space that they're gonna use to store the content. Facebook is playing tricky as usual. Anyway guys, this is the app. This is how you download Reels from Facebook. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.